Welcome back to CoinZF. Before we begin, take a second right now, tap that subscribe button, and join a community where hidden treasures turn into real stories and sometimes life-changing value. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You're going through an old drawer, maybe one you haven't opened in years. Inside, scattered among receipts and forgotten keys, you find a small, ordinary-looking coin. It's a 2000 D Jefferson Nickel. At first glance, it feels like just another 5-cent piece, something you might spend without a second thought. But what if I told you that this small piece of metal could be hiding a story far bigger than its size, and in rare cases, a value that could reach an astonishing $50,012? Now stay with me, because what makes this coin special isn't just its age or its design. It's the tiny details, the things most people overlook, the things collectors spend years learning to spot. The Jefferson Nickel has been part of American coinage since 1938. By the year 2000, it had already passed through decades of history, wars, economic shifts, and cultural change. Yet the design remained familiar. On the front, you see Thomas Jefferson, calm and dignified. On the back, his iconic home, Monticello. Millions of these coins were produced in the year 2000, especially at the Denver Mint, which is marked by the small d you'll find next to Jefferson's portrait. Here's the truth most people don't realize. The majority of 2000 D Jefferson nickels are only worth face value, just 5 cents. But collectors don't chase the ordinary. They chase the extraordinary hidden within the ordinary. And that's where things get interesting in the world of coin collecting. Value doesn't come from age alone. It comes from rarity, condition, and most importantly, errors. Tiny imperfections that turn a common coin into something unique. Imagine a machine striking thousands of coins every hour. Sometimes, just for a moment, something goes slightly wrong. Mise. A surface isn't perfectly clean. A detail is struck twice, or not fully at all. These small accidents create what collectors call mint errors, and these errors are where the real money lies. Now think about your 2000 D Jefferson Nickel. Have you ever looked at it closely? I mean really closely. Because the difference between a coin worth 5 cents and one worth thousands could be hiding in a detail so small you might miss it without a careful eye. One of the most sought-after features is a full-step Monticello. On the back of the coin, the steps leading up to Monticello should be clearly defined. On most coins, these steps are weak or blurred due to mass production. But on rare, high-quality strikes, you can see all the steps clearly. Collectors call this a full steps nickel. It dramatically increases value. Now combine that with near-perfect condition. No scratches, no wear, original shine still intact. Coins like this are graded by professionals and can reach prices that surprise even experienced collectors. But let's go deeper. There are also coins with doubling errors, where parts of the design appear slightly duplicated. Look closely at the letters, especially in Liberty or I in God We Trust. If you notice a shadow like doubling, you might be holding something far more valuable than you think. Another rare possibility is an off-center strike. This happens when the coin isn't properly aligned during minting, leaving part of the design missing and part blank. It may look like damage to an untrained eye, but to collectors, it's a prized mistake. And then there are die cracks and die chips. Small raised lines or bumps on the surface caused by worn or damaged minting dies. Each one tells a story of the moment it was created. Each one makes the coin slightly different from every other coin. Here's the fascinating part. Most of these valuable coins are still out there, sitting in jars, wallets, old collections, or even in circulation. People spend them every day without realizing what they have. Picture this scenario. Someone uses a 2000 D Jefferson Nickel to buy something small. It passes from hand to hand unnoticed, until one day, it lands in the hands of someone who knows exactly what to look for. Someone who recognizes the subtle signs of rarity. In that moment, a simple transaction turns into a discovery. This is why coin collecting is more than just a hobby. It's a treasure hunt, a search for hidden value in plain sight. Now let's talk about condition, because this is where many people lose potential value. A coin that has been heavily circulated loses its sharpness. Details fade. Scratches appear. Even if it has a rare feature, poor condition can reduce its worth significantly. On the other hand, a coin that has been preserved carefully can look almost as fresh as the day it was minted. These coins are often graded on a scale, with higher grades commanding higher prices. A top-grade 2000 D Jefferson Nickel with full steps and no visible flaws could be the one that reaches that incredible $50,012 mark. Think about that number for a second. $50,000 from a coin that most people wouldn't even bend down to pick up if it fell on the ground. IT changes how you see things, doesn't it? Suddenly, every coin in your pocket feels different. Every piece of change becomes a possibility, a question waiting to be answered. Could this be the one? And that's exactly the mindset that separates casual observers from true collectors. They don't rush. They don't assume. They examine. They learn. They train their eyes to notice what others ignore. So here's what you should do next. Take a 2000 D Jefferson Nickel. Hold it under a bright light. Look closely at Jefferson's face. Check the lettering. Turn it over and study Monticello. Focus on the steps. Count them. Are they clear and complete? Or are they blurred together? Tilt the coin slightly. Let the light move across the surface. This helps reveal small details like doubling or fine scratches. If you notice anything unusual, don't dismiss it. That small difference could be the key to something valuable. And remember, patience is everything. You might check 10 coins and find nothing, or 100. But then one day, you find something that makes it all worthwhile. That's the thrill. That's the reason people stay in this hobby for decades. Because every coin has a story. And sometimes, that story comes with a price tag that feels almost unbelievable. Now imagine telling someone that a simple 5-cent coin could be worth over $50,000. Most would laugh. Some would doubt. But you would know better. Because you've seen the details. You understand the rarity. You recognize the value hidden beneath the surface. And that knowledge is powerful. It turns ordinary moments into opportunities. It transforms spare change into a field of possibilities. So the next time you receive a nickel, don't just toss it aside. Take a second look, because you never know which one might be different. You never know which one might be the one collectors dream about. And if you ever find that perfect combination, a 2000 D Jefferson Nickel with sharp, full steps, flawless condition, and maybe even a rare mint error, then you're not just holding a coin. You're holding a story worth telling, a discovery worth remembering, and possibly a value reaching $50,012. Stay curious. Keep searching. And always remember, the smallest things often carry the biggest surprises.